Hello everyone, welcome to Skillbuzz, and today we will see how to create checklists with Google Sheets. So what checklist is basically, if you want to have a lot of points, like बहुत सारी चीजें हैं आपके पास and you need to get them true या false, tick or wrong, such like that. So how can you do it in a very feasible way? We will see that today. Also we have a little surprise for you at the end, a small trick regarding Google Sheets only. So please stay connected and please do subscribe to our channel so that you get the notifications of all the future videos, and let's get started. So here we started. First of all, we just opened our sheet and इसमें I'm starting writing down the names. I'm writing down like student 1, student 2. I will just drag it so that I don't have to write it again and again using this feature. If I take it around, consider 30 students. So this is my data for 30 students. Now I need their term 1, term 2, term 3. I just write all these things. उसके बाद मैंने डाल दिया like skill, bracket पे मैंने लिख दिया Excel, and similarly I am writing like skill 2, bracket में I just write communication. I want to increase the size, so I just did this. Now what I want to do, मुझे यहाँ पे check marks लगाने हैं पूरे में. So I will just select the area जिसमें भी check marks लगाने हैं. So this is my area. I will go to data. Data में जाके I will go to data validation. यहाँ पे I will see criteria, and criteria में I will put checkbox. When you will put checkbox and just save it, तो आपके पास checkboxes आ जाएंगे. Now you can just check, uncheck. Now consider I want to know how many points, like grade. I want to give 5 points to each checkbox. कि if term 1 is done, then 5 points. Term 2 is done, 5 points. I want to give 5 points to each grade. So how can I do that? So उसमें again just select the data. I mean checkboxes जो आप लोग को करने हैं. Again go to data. Data validation जैसे हम लोग last time गए थे. Just use custom cell values. So इसमें what you can do, checked में 5 points and unchecked में 0 points, and then save it. उसके बाद what I will do, simple feature जो हमारा होता है Excel का, I will put equals to sum, and sum will be here to here, and I will just close it, enter. 2 checkbox 10 points, 3 checkbox 15 points. So it is very feasible to do. You can try any feature here, like sum, average. You can just use any feature and you will be good to go. It's like 15 upon 3, that is 3. So these are the things that you can do. Also what you can do is just click here and go to format. उसके बाद आप इसमें alternating colors पे जाके इसको different तरीके से कर सकते हो, whichever you like. You want footer, header, and even you can change the colors. आप अपने according भी लगा सकते हो, like first आपको change करना है or whatever it is. So these will be like formatting types जो आप कर सकते हो, and we are good to go. Also, like if you want to apply this formula to all the rows, you can just drag it and the formula will be applied to all the rows, and see like 3 checkboxes, 2 checkboxes, whatever it is, it will come. Also, I want to tell you, like if you want to freeze this, because when you move downwards, it just disappears. So what you can do is to freeze it. For this, you have to go to view option. View option में जाके freeze पे गए and just row 1. So this is freezed. I will also freeze the column 1 same way, and yeah. Now when you move downwards, your first row and first column will be intact, and it's easy to use that way. Also, I want to give you a very interesting feature of Google Sheets that recently come in Pride Month. So this is that feature. If you write P, R, I, D and E and press enter, your sheet will be in a rainbowish color, and it looks amazing. So this was launched by Google Sheets during Pride Month 2021. So yeah, I hope you liked the video, and let me know in the comment section if this was useful and you like this trick or not. And thank you so much.